Hi everyone, welcome to my campsite. So we set up last night in the dark with headlights. It was all so fun. Thank God I have one of those tents that just pops up. And this is our site. Oh, don't trip, I trip over everything. So this is our tent. We have our solar lights. Oh, honey, we have our solar lights over there. They're juicing up for the night. And this is our little area. We absolutely love this campground. We've stayed here numerous times. This is the first time at this site, and so far this has been our most favorite site. So we have this. We have over here, we have our cooking station with our water station. We have like a little coffee pot section, tea section. We have hand soap. I mean, we're all set here. I have this little tub to wash dishes. And then here we have our room. So here is my quilting studio right here. And that was the tablecloth kind of, it's an all-purpose thing. It can be a curtain, a tablecloth, or a beach, thing to lie on. And that's made with all orphan blocks. And so during COVID, I took all my orphan blocks and made that. And then here, come follow me, honey. We have, of course, our refrigeration here. And we have a little outdoor little area here where we play cards at night. We have these wonderful little lights that turn on and turn off. And then, here we go, our bedroom. And in our bedroom, yes, we have a quilt. We have our quilts in our bed, and this is also a COVID quilt that I made with all scraps. And this was a, what do you call that? A quilt as you go method, because then I didn't have a long arm. So during COVID, I did teach myself the quilt and go method, and it's reversible. So this is, come scan on here. This is one side, and then this is the other. And then over here, I'm gonna give you another sneak peek. We have the quilt. This is the quilt that will be introduced tomorrow for the panel challenge. Again, don't forget, tomorrow will be uploaded 4 content creators. Myself, Lynn from Soft Squares, we have April from April's Craft Room, and we have Di from Sister Chicks Quilting. And we are all launching our video using the panel I sent them with the yard of fabric. So this is my little sneak peek, and I brought it with me. So that's it. This is our abode for the next 4 days, 5 days. And in here, little quilting all-purpose room, I have my quilting. Since there's no electric here, I have my little kit. And I have my squares, antique squares I'm working on. And yes, look, I've got to use for my needle minders. So I have 3 needle minders, and I brought them with me, and I found that it's good to have one on a project and on your shirt. So look at that, when I finished this one yesterday. So I'm all excited. Yep, this is where it is. This is where it's all happening, and I might see you again. But anyway, as always, take care of yourself, be well, pass it forward, and please subscribe, like, share, and give me that thumbs up, and tell your friends about me, because we need to make it to that 2,000 viewer mark. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.